I started in property with no money of my own, and I've now built up a 6-figure property business that pays me every single month that supports both myself and my family. And it all started here with deal packaging. Now, if you're anything like me when you started, you might be thinking, I need money to invest in property, right? And here's the secret, you don't. Let me show you how I did this in a smart way. So look, a big problem that beginners have is they want to start investing in property, but maybe they feel a bit stuck because they don't have things like savings, or maybe they're afraid of getting into debt. They watch people around them building portfolios and think, maybe that's out of reach to them. So here's the strategy that I used and I still use today. So it's a combination, deal packaging and buy-to-let investing. So here's how it works. So first, I use deal packaging to build up cash without using any of my own money. Then I use the cash that I earned from my deal packaging, and then I built up a passive income by my own property portfolio. So here's a big secret. You don't need money to get started. You just need time, consistency, and a proven process. So here's 2 proven strategies that work well together. So stage 1, build your cash up with deal packaging. So many of you might be thinking right now, well, Ryan, you keep talking about this deal packaging, but what actually is it? So what it is, to break it down, is sourcing property investment deals for investors who want a hands-free income and don't have the time, the network, or know-how to do it for themselves. So you find the deal, you negotiate the price, you sort the refurb, and you hand it over. You're gonna get paid between $3,000 to $5,000 plus per deal. That's why this works for beginners. You don't need money to do this. You just need knowledge. And of course, yeah, you do need a little bit of hustle. So investors fund your deals, you get paid by sourcing and managing, and best of all, you earn your stripes in your patch. So how do you start? Get educated and get compliant. Understand how deal packaging is done in a legal way. Pick your location, your strategy. What type of deals are you going to be sourcing? Where are you sourcing them? And who are you sourcing them for? And build a presence. Things like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. In today's world, it's a must. Share education content, don't sell. No, things like market updates, valuable content, investor-friendly breakdowns. Why? Because it helps to build trust. Networking, let people know what it is that you're doing. Find the deal, find investor, match them. This is low risk, high margin business that you can run alongside your 9 to 5 whilst building a property portfolio. Now, this is exactly what I did. And by the way, I did this alongside my other job and as a family man. 10 hours a week, 1 deal a month, 60,000 for the year. Think about what £60,000 could potentially do for you. What could that mean? What could that mean for your loved ones? Could that be a life-changing amount? And could this be something that you could be considering? So number 2 in the strategy is then take that cash and buy your own buy-to-lets. Why buy-to-lets? Simple. Long-term cash flow, capital appreciation over time. So you then own the asset, and more importantly, you start building the wealth and earning the monthly income for you. Now, how do you buy your first? Use deal packaging to source the deposit. Get your mortgage sorted, which obviously you can now use with your proven team that you've used with your investors. Make sure that you buy in strong rental areas with good yields and with attractive demand for tenants. And you know what? Just keep it simple. Single buy-to-lets, strong locations, passive income. And repeat the cycle. More deals you package, more deposits equals more buy-to-lets. One strategy, build your income, the other build your wealth. Now, like I said at the beginning, I know how it feels to want to get into property, but you feel locked out because of that capital. But trust me, if you follow this approach, you'll be making real progress in the next 3 to 6 months. I'm going to offer you the same opportunity that I was once given, and that is to have a call that personally changed my life. I had a one-to-one strategy call with Aspire Education. many years back when I started, before I had my six-figure business. And we're going to offer you the same opportunity. So if you would like to know more about how you can deal package and go from 0 to 100,000, but with a proven safe strategy, there's a very simple link in the bottom. Click the link right now. But most importantly, ladies and gents, we hope that you've got incredible value from this video. As always, if you have, make sure that you subscribe, hit the like button now to ensure that you get more content.